Let's see if you like this song, and if you can guess who that special boy is. Oh, let me lower it. And the words are there even if you don't know how to sing. Maybe you might recognize the theme, the song. Maybe I'm gonna get sued, you'll never know. There's the kid at your school that doesn't listen to you. He always runs around his room. Just treat him the same, you're told. You know who this is, I assume. It's him. It's him. You know he's the one. It's me. It's me. The director's son. Oh. Just treat him the same. Put that down. Stop doing this. Stop doing that. I'm going to call your mother. She's right there. Okay, all right, fine.